We're out here in the garage today doing a little work this morning. We painted the bed there a little bit. You'll see on this video. Got the high build primer on it. See all the wonderful junk right now. You got the whole gang sitting over there in the corner. But so a little bit, got some new subscribers and people following us now. So he's going to do a little bit of walk around here on the truck so you can kind of see what we got right now. So it's got two 10-pound bottles in it, fire bottles. Got one 16-volt battery. Larry made a custom puke tank here. Comes up and goes up through the chassis and everything. Come down here. We got Low Dollar Motorsports shock sensors on it, as you can see. Customer in done here by Larry Houck. Start off with all the Moser stuff. We got Moser brakes on it, the new floating brakes. Got Moser axles, Moser center section. As you can see in there, gotta thank Larry Cummings and Moser. They take good care of us there. We appreciate that. We've got the 10 Soldiers 4-link in it. The low pep brackets go both ways. That's kind of why we did it. Got their anti-roll bar. You can see how nice all the fire bottle lines are bent going around. All of our cables. You can see we got everything tidied up real nice and clean. It's got all carbon interior. Got a couple of panels just brought back in. Like I said, the oil breather tubes run up here through these tubes. Comes down. Comes through the tubes up there. How Larry's got it all made. So we got drains. Gonna have drains in them here, as you can see. Come through. Jim's really worked on the body and stuff and got it looking pretty good. Come to the inside. We've got carbon fiber floors, all the air valves, Mac valves in it, Motion Raceworks, carbon handle, Precision Shifter products. We've got the shifter. Michael Turner at Turner Racing Transmissions knocked out the transmission there. It's a 400 2-speed. Got all the good stuff in it. Got one of his bolt together converters for it too. Got the puke tank for the transmission. You can see the fire lines, real nice and clean. Larry put all those in there. Come around, got a couple over there. Motion Raceworks, parachute, air chute on it. Race equip seat. All of our electronics will go over here and there. Coming through. Jim made doors. It's gonna be all carbon doors on it. We left the steel doors on it. Jim made the top. Doors don't weigh nothing now. Kind of come around. Wobble brakes on the front. Weld wheels. Bull horns. Come through. Larry made all the stainless headers. Like I said, little section of stock front end, sand tough shocks. I don't know if I did that. We're on the rear. Chris at Sand Tough custom made all of our shocks and valved them. The Sand Tough's on the rear and the front. Didn't know if I covered that or not. I forgot. And then get all the shock sensors. Got all our motorsports. Got our smart coils down there. It is a 540 big block. Going to be pro charged. So all Wilson elbow, manifold, Wilson elbow and throttle body. Custom made fuel tank. Got two ride height sensors, one on the rear end and one in the front. But that's a little bit of it there, Got the steering wheel, removable steering wheel in it, just like everybody else. Titanium. See the pedals. Like I said, race equip seat. But everything on it's come out really well so far. As you can see, it's looking really good. Got weld double B locks on the back. Like the gold theme, kind of keeping the color down right now. So you get to see that here, and gets painted on the 19th. Castro's coming down and going to shoot it for us. But there's your little walk around of the possum. So, like I said, there's the whole gang over there. And
thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
So that's what we got going on out here in the possum today. Thanks for watching. We appreciate all the support. Coming to Small Tire in 2025, plus some other classes too. Thanks. So here's the possum here, kind of in its final stages. We're out here moving things around, getting ready to take the bed back off of it. Getting ready to put the slick sand on it. But as you can see, she looks pretty darn good. She's gonna be pretty mean looking. So yeah, we're Big Jim's done a heck of a job on the body work and stuff, and things are looking really good. Got the TRZ billet spindles in it. You know, we ain't got nothing really adjusted. It's just kind of sit down in here right now. But as you can see, she's looking pretty good. So got to pull the bed back off over here and get her ready to go. So just doing a little video here before we start tearing her apart. Pulling the body panels back off. Got getting painted on the 19th. So we got to get our butts in gear and get going. Jim's been busting his butt on it. So give you a little look. She's a bad looking puppy.
Stopped over in the garage, and Jim and TJ are sanding. Had it all together. Get a little video out showing that here in a little bit. Jim's been busting his butt on this body. Paint, and how many weeks? How many weeks before they come for paint?
19th.
October 19th.
4 weeks. Can't wait.
He's did a good job. He's got it pretty dang straight. And that's just in the epoxy stage.
All right, hit that subscribe button. Getting close, guys. Gonna try this small tire stuff out.
So there we go. We just brought heavy build. We did it with slick sand first. Jim worked all day yesterday, finished blocking it. And then we did slick sand and Jim blocked it. We epoxied it, sanded it down, slick sanded it, sprayed slick sand on it, blocked it out. Jim, then we put some high build on it this morning. We'll put 2 coats on that. Then that'll be the final. We'll do the final blocking and be ready for the paint. So that was the first coat of high build on it. Jim's got it looking really straight. We sanded on there the last couple of days. Jim finished it up yesterday, so he's mixing up some more over there. We'll put the second coat on her here in a few, and that should be it for the bed, and then be ready for paint. Here we go. We're going to go do the final third coat. Well, there we go. We just put the final third coat on it. Now it'll be let her dry and set up, and it'll be ready for sanding.